Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Crypto Boost. The crypto market is volatile. Even the slightest bump in the status quo can send the price of the biggest cryptocurrencies, yes, including Bitcoin, through the roof or down in the dumps. So it's no surprising that something like China's real estate giant running out of money to pay off its debt has the world of cryptocurrencies in a tizzy. In today's video, we'll discuss if Evergrande will be the reason for the next Bitcoin collapse. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. In September, Bitcoin prices fell below $45,000. This drastic change of 8% can be attributed to Chinese developer Evergrande's debt of $300 billion, according to analysts. Although there's no direct link between the property developer and cryptocurrency, many analysts are suggesting that the troubles in China's property market could trigger a crypto crash, as it would drive risk aversion in investors. Evergrande Group is China's second largest property developer and is in debt for roughly $300 billion. There are fears that its collapse could spark a wider financial crisis. 2 minutes after Evergrande's payment was due, the Deutsche Market screening agenter issued an announcement on Wednesday at 4 p.m. UTC, stating that it was preparing bankruptcy proceedings against Evergrande. 2 hours later, at about 6 p.m. UTC, Bitcoin began its hours-long pullback to $62,800. Media outlet Morning Brew reported about 45 minutes later that Evergrande had missed a payment on its outstanding debt, which was due on Wednesday at 4 p.m. UTC, and defaulted. Another 45 minutes passed before Bloomberg issued a story saying it hadn't. According to leading analysts, the downturn in the crypto market is nothing but investors rushing to liquidate their crypto funds for fear of China's crisis disrupting the largest global financial balance. Moreover, professional traders are using the volatility to book profits by buying the dip and selling during recovery. Now, some believe Bitcoin's price could also be at risk from a stock market meltdown again, and due to fears that nearly half of Tether's reserves are made up of commercial paper amounting to nearly $30 billion. This is enough for the Financial Times to place Tether among global giants in that category. Global markets started the week on a turbulent note after fears that Evergrande's troubles could lead to a fallout for the Chinese and global economies prompted a sell-off in riskier assets. Evergrande is connected to an extensive network of major projects and businesses, but alas, if it is to go down completely, the other related industries and businesses will as well. That includes large companies involved with Bitcoin investments and those that find altcoins such as VeChain currency and Ripple currency more valuable than physical gold. Evergrande Zhongchen was involved with large banks, especially with Everbright Bank Co. Ltd. Additionally, it was also tied to some of the wealthiest people in China, such as the chairman of Dalian Wanda Group, Wang Jianlin. Thus, Evergrande had ties to both banks and major companies, which means Evergrande's collapse could affect ever-growing and ever larger number of people. And remember, a large portion of BTC miners hail from China, so when the crackdown happened last June 2021, the price of Bitcoin went into a downward spiral. This drove the prices into a state of decline, starting from the $43,000 zone down to this year's lowest of $29,278. With the recent news on Evergrande and the Chinese government stating that cryptocurrency has no value, you can see how much FUD the country can cause in the global market. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.